she was mine. Every heartbeat showed. Now I'm standing here watching her go. I see you smirking in your tailored suit, flashing cash, driving blacked out coupe. But you ain't got love, just dollar signs. Can't find your own, so you came for mine. We had years, you got things, but love don't live in diamond rings. Still I see her drift away, falling deeper into your games. Why you gotta chase what's already taken? Why you play God with hearts you're breaking? You bought her time, but you can't buy truth. She's lost in your world, but I still see through. Now she's a queen in your red carpet lies, but I see the devil behind those eyes. You're rich, but you'll never understand love. You're just a man who bought what I'm made of. She used to laugh without the shine. Now it's silence wrapped in wine. You gave her gold, but stole her soul. And now she's yours, but never whole. You stalked her smile behind our screen. From every live stream, every scene. She was my girl, now she's your game. But I'm not the one who should be ashamed. I was the rock when the storms came. You showed up just to stake your claim. She don't even talk the same, whispering in your poison name. Why you gotta chase what's already mine? Why twist her heart with dollar signs? You bought her tears, you bought her trust, but deep inside it's only lust. She's a trophy to your prideful lies, but love can't breathe where freedom dies. You're rich, but empty as your show, and I won't let your shadow grow. I pray she wakes up from your spell before she's trapped in your private hell. We had love, not built from fear. Now all I hear is her disappear. You can't fake what time can't hold. I'll still be standing when you fall, 'cause love don't answer a devil's call. She was mine before the fame.